R2-D2, Your Highness.
Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is your host, Steve. Up next is to build your own R2-D2 from D'Agostini, or Model Space. This is issue 50, and we get this very nice magazine with the issue. We also get these parts that come along for building the left leg. Looks like we get one of the wheels and some of the other components for R2-D2. So if you just stand by, I'll be right back. We'll get a closer look at these parts. We'll assemble. We'll look at the magazine. Welcome back. Inside the package we get a dome panel which includes the double-sided tape for it, and I'm just going to leave that inside of its wrapping until we're going to use it later on. We get a wheel, we get 2 wheel covers, and we get a bunch of screws. We get 5 black fixing screws and 5 silver fixing screws. So we'll go ahead and assemble this, and I'll be right back. Okay, we'll use 4 of the black fixing screws, and these are the larger 6mm screws. And we'll simply put the wheel together. We have 2 halves here, and you can see they kind of match each other with the tabs that go in. So we'll simply take and insert it into the wheel, just like such. The wheel is rubber. I'm going to take the other 2. There we go. After that, we'll go ahead and put our screws in. 4 of them that go inside. And remember, the black ones are normally used to secure plastic to plastic. Yep. They're going in very well. No problems there. And that is it. We have assembled the wheel, and I guess we'll be installing this just in another upcoming issue. So with that, let's look at the magazine, and then after that we'll be assembling issue 51. If you haven't done so already and you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like, hit the bell for any updates. Let's look at the magazine. Be right back. Let's look at the magazine for issue 50. Once again, our table of contents gives us building the galaxy, the droid directory, understanding robotics, and then lastly, how to build this issue. So we talk about a little more space in this article, very interesting, with Darth Vader, Sebastian Shaw's role as the unmasked Vader, and then they get into filming locations, a little bit of death and destruction there. Keith Colley is highlighted here on the right. Then we get into Bactoid Combat Automata T-Series droids. Once again, getting into the animated series of the Star Wars universe. A couple of pages there dealing with that. And then they talk about servo motors and how they play an important role with robots. Talking a little bit about modulating electrical current, and they give us highlight of all the parts we received with this issue and how to assemble, which we assembled the wheel. And then lastly, gives us a preview of what we're going to receive in issue 51. And super excited to get 51 because that gives us the dome. So up next we will see that beautiful dome that they send out for this R2-D2.